Looking for a free crypto airdrop. This VET Telegram airdrop offers a 40,000 VET registration bonus with a claimed value of $160. Even if the token's value ends up being much lower, such as 10,000 VET being worth $40, it can still be a great opportunity to earn free crypto without any upfront investment. To withdraw your rewards, you'll need to reach the minimum withdrawal requirement of 80,000 VET with a claimed value of $320. The Telegram bot link is available in the description below. You'll also find links to other free crypto airdrops and a free Telegram Stars bot to help you discover more earning opportunities. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and reflects my personal experience. It is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency projects and airdrops involve risks, and rewards are never guaranteed. Always do your own research. DYOR. You are fully responsible for your own decisions, and I do not encourage anyone to invest money in any project based solely on this video. Good luck, everyone. Good luck.